since I got my trans done, the cars, I did like 300 miles already on it, but then I had an issue where I was building too much crankcase pressure because I also pinned the valve cover when I did the trans. So I needed to add a catch can, and I bought a catch can, but I also bought a whole ass top mount kit. And I'm also very sick right now. I should not be even attempting to be working on this car right now. But I was gonna install this catch can, but this catch can is meant for a top mount, and I knew that. I was gonna just send it anyways and kind of just put it in a corner wherever it works. But I have a free shop today. I finished what I needed to do. It's still very early. It's not even 12 o'clock yet. So I'm kind of thinking to send it and install, or at least start installing the top mount, because like I'm not the most mechanically inclined, but there's a couple bolts here, a downpipe that's V-bend. You put the turbo on this shit. Like, I'm not stupid also. So I kind of want to send it. And if you guys see this video, most likely I sent it. If not, I'm just talking to myself in the camera right now. And I forgot my camera stuff at home. This is my phone. But I'm going to start doing some things, and hopefully, if it works out good, I probably will send it. Okay, so update. I got some stuff off. I'm taking the V-band clamp for the downpipe off, and then soon enough, I guess I can pull all this out. After I unhook one of these oil lines, it should be able to come right out, but I'll just loosening up this V-band so it doesn't get in my way. But so far I'm sending it, and we'll see how that goes. So I just got the upgraded turbo that I am running now out. It was a little bit of pain because it's not what I do, but it is out. Do have some cleaning up to do and things like that, but for now that's out. So a little update. I had to go to the parts store. I'm renting this, what is this called? This O2 sensor removal tool kit. And I just got the downpipe loose and out. I think I could just pull it out from here. So I'm definitely making progress. I am kind of proud of myself. I always knew like I can do it. It's just I'm alone. Like if I fuck up now, I'm gonna be stuck. But we get in there. So now it's kind of just the whole remount everything the way I took it off in a sense, and then run the plumbing. However, I gotta run the plumbing. I just gotta see what lines go to what and things like that, and then go from there. So I just mocked up my drain line. This is for the catch can, the oil feed, or I think this is the feed, this is the drain. Get the plumbing situated. I put a block off plate there. I found out that this coolant line is gonna get deleted, but I don't have the actual cap to delete it right now, so that's gonna just be in a corner. And then I do need shorter bolts for the throttle body because I don't know, the bolts is just too long for the design of the new ones. So I have to go to Home Depot or something and get new bolts for that. And I think now I'm gonna probably try to mount the manifold and see how that goes. Guys, see this shit? Clean my camera real quick. This is definitely coming along very nicely. With the help of a couple FaceTime calls with some peoples, it's definitely coming along very nicely. I am very happy of how it is coming along. Everything is very loosely mocked. I left the turbo very loose just so I can clock it properly when I'm ready. I need shorter bolts for that. I believe I said that already. I didn't tighten up the bolts there. I'm gonna go get some more nuts because I'm missing a few. And I'm about to do some evap stuff. Pretty much delete this whole section, this whole Y. And then I'm gonna start mounting the catch can. And then after that, I think I'm gonna call it a night, because the next things I will need is the bolts. When I get back, maybe Sunday, I'll probably start doing the downpipe section. And I don't know, man. I'm very happy the way it's coming out right now. So hopefully when I turn it on, it doesn't blow up. So, you know, let's hope for the best. So it's the next day, and I don't know. I have to go look back in the videos, but I forgot what's the last thing I filmed. But I'm ending the video here because I am tired, and I feel very accomplished, but I am definitely tired. My back hurts. I'm still a little sick. This is too much. But the car runs and drives. I did take a video of it running and everything, so I'll probably post that before this, maybe after it, whichever one makes sense. I don't even know which order my videos are in. I don't remember if I talk much in my videos, but you know, at least I can say I installed everything myself. I am still missing the coupler. I DM'd them about the heat shield and then the turbo blanket, and after that, I think that is all. I think everything is working out. So for the meantime, I just ordered a normal silicone coupler off Amazon, see if that works out for me. And for now, this is it. I think I'll have to figure out what color I want to powder coat the turbo eventually, and then go from there. Get a turbo guard and everything. Soon I'm gonna have someone come and do the manifold, because I don't understand that kind of stuff. I have the manifold in the car, so. But anyways, ending the video here. I have to clean up. I started cleaning up already. I have to like wash all this out. This is all coolant that leaked out. Have some oil. My hands are still dirty.